the channel, ladies. I'm Dr. Phoenyx, and today I'm going to be answering a question from one of our fellow ladies about exfoliation. So let's throw that up on the screen, shall we? Okay, should we exfoliate daily? Excellent question, and the short answer is no. Generally speaking, you should not be exfoliating your skin, particularly the skin on your face, every single day. And here is why, ladies. So exfoliation, why do we do it? We basically do it to get rid of the dead skin cells on the surface so we can help boost the rejuvenation process, help that younger, healthier skin come to the surface so we can see it. That's why exfoliation, when you exfoliate your skin in general, the skin looks healthier, it looks more vibrant, it looks brighter, more youthful. So that's why we exfoliate our skin. We also exfoliate to get rid of the dead skin cells that can end up clogging our pores and leading to things like blackheads and breakouts. So exfoliation is very, very important for maintaining the health of your skin. Problem is, if you're overdoing it, like you're exfoliating every single day, and especially if you're using harsh exfoliating scrubs on your skin, you can end up causing a rebound effect. So our skin is very, very smart. It's actually our largest organ. And the skin is going to sense that you're over exfoliating, you're doing a little bit too much, and the skin is going to start to rebound. So you, through over exfoliation, could be ultimately drying out your skin. What's going to happen is your skin is going to secrete more oils, which can lead to clogging pores and breakouts. Your skin can also develop redness, and you can speed up the aging process of your skin if you exfoliate too much, because that constant sloughing off of the skin cells is going to cause thinning of the skin and premature wrinkles. So you want to be very, very careful about how often you exfoliate. That said, generally speaking, 1 to 2 times a week, ladies, is well enough for exfoliation of your skin, particularly your face. That is enough. Another tip, if you're going to use exfoliators, it's best to use some that contain ingredients that are also going to help soothe the skin and boost collagen production. One example of that is aloe. Aloe is something that I use in all of my skincare products because it's great for soothing the skin and it helps boost collagen production and skin rejuvenation. It's a wonderful ingredient that you will find in skincare products. Not all, but some skincare products like mine. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys in relation to exfoliation, answering this question. This was an excellent question, ladies. I know a lot of women actually do over exfoliate, and you're maybe developing skin problems, not realizing that it's the exfoliation, the over exfoliation that's causing it. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, be sure to drop down a like, share your 2 cents in the comments. As always, ladies, it is my pleasure. I'm Dr. Phoenyx. Stay beautiful, much love, and I'll see you again very, very soon.